Ready?
Melon, does Daddy need to wake up?
Wake up. Wake up.
What? Was I asleep? Was I asleep? Okay, now you go to sleep. You go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You have to close your eyes to go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Here, go to sleep. I'll tell you. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Oh, you're good now? Okay, you want Daddy to do it now?
Okay. Wake up.
Oh, was that it? Oh, I fell asleep? Okay, ready?
Melon, I think you need to wake Daddy up.
What happened? Was I asleep? Huh? Okay, now you go to sleep this time. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. You can close your eyes. You're not asleep if your eyes are open. You gotta close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. You're gonna go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Wake up! Wake up! Are you up?